This video discusses Virtuoso Settings. There are a handful of settings that will help you customize Virtuoso. Some of these are global settings which will affect all users, and others are user-based and will only be applied to that particular user. To access the Virtuoso settings, right-click on the Virtuoso icon in the system tray by your clock and choose Settings. This will open the Settings window. There are two tabs for the Settings window. The first is your Contact Management tab, and the second is the Virtuoso tab. We'll begin by looking at the Contact Management tab. Currently, you'll see that my contact management software is Salesforce. If you wish to change or update your contact management software, you can choose to change and select from the drop-down list of contact management softwares we support. If you use a different contact management software than the rest of your firm, or if you're testing a new contact management software, you can select this checkbox and choose again from our available options. The global default contact manager is global, so if you change that, it will make the change for everyone and prompt you to make sure you want to make that choice. Another helpful button in the Virtuoso Settings window is the View Current Contact Info button. When you select this button, it will show or display the current contact code in the CRM. If you'd like to clear that code, perhaps their code changed in WorldDocs, you can choose to clear the contact code. It's very helpful the first time you click a button to pick your contact code from the list, and then it will permanently associate writing that code into the Virtuoso settings. So if you need to clear your contact code, that's a great way to do it. Alternatively, you can simply change the code by manually typing that in. Now let's talk about the Virtuoso tab. These settings are personal settings and apply only to your user. The first setting that we'll discuss is the palette location. I'm viewing Virtuoso on the right-hand side of my rightmost monitor. If you have multiple monitors, it will display on the right of the rightmost monitor. Alternatively, you can also choose to display on the left-hand side of the leftmost monitor. You can also choose to use small or large icons. The large icons give you a better view of the picture, but I'll go ahead and show you the use small icons. You can also opt to hide the palette when it's not in use, and show that palette when holding your control key down and sliding your mouse to either the left or right based on where that palette is located. I'm going to click OK to show you all of these settings in concert. Now, Virtuoso is docked on the left-hand side of my leftmost monitor. If I hold my control key down and slide my mouse to the left, Virtuoso will then appear. This requires the user to hold the control key down and slide their mouse to the left. You'll also see that my icons are in smaller font here on the left-hand side. You can customize these settings as you wish.